In this video, let's see how to link a parent contract request in Contract Workspace. To begin, select the All menu. In the search bar, type Contract Workspace. Select Contract Workspace in all results. In the Contract Workspace, select the List view. Select Assign to Me under Contract Requests. Open the contract request you want to link to a parent contract. Select the Related Contract Requests tab. Select Link Parent Contract. In the Link Contract window, select the checkbox next to the contract request you want to link as parent contract. Select Link Contract. A message appears confirming that the contract has been successfully linked. Expand the parent contract to view all the associated child contracts.